Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp automation without spending a dime? Let's dive into how you can explore Aisensy for free and see firsthand how it can transform your business communications. First, head over to Aisensy's website. The link is in the description below for easy access. Once you're on the site, look for the free trial or sign up button. It's usually prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to the registration page. You'll need to enter your details, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Be sure to use a valid email as you'll need to verify it later. After submitting the form, check your inbox for a verification email from Aisensy. Click on the verification link to activate your account. This is crucial for gaining access to the platform. Congratulations, you're in. Now you'll be greeted by the Aisensy dashboard. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout. Focus on the core features like message templates, contact management, and campaign setup. With your free access, you can start creating message templates to automate responses, manage your contacts efficiently, and even experiment with sending out a test campaign to a small segment of your audience. This free trial or free tier allows you to test the waters and experience the benefits of WhatsApp automation firsthand. If you find Aisensy valuable, you can then explore their paid plans for enhanced features and expanded usage. Now go ahead and revolutionize your WhatsApp marketing with Aisensy.